I'm not drinking.
I got a treat.
All right, you guys might be wondering why we're wearing Christmas hats. And it looks like we're in the desert. It's because we are in the desert and we are wearing Christmas hats. And we're going out to get the Rhett Gear family Christmas trees.
What are we doing? Christmas tree! When are we doing it? How big were your Christmas tree? Oh, Christmas tree! We're gonna cut you down and put you on a Jeep.
I thought it was like a bowl or like a pot at first. I should serve like Christmas dinner
Popcorn.
out of it. Mashed potatoes out of it.
Yeah, true.
I'd eat mashed taters out of that.
That's how much you left for?
I could afford those
It's from the
taters.
fruit.
What's up, Christmas hobo junkie pants? What are you doing there?
Drinking.
Hey, I'm not drinking.
Then what are you doing?
Picking up trash.
Oh, good job.
I'm the trash whisperers.
So you're a Santa hat? You're feeling festive? Yeah! What was that?
Somebody forgot to pick up their can after playing Kick the Can. You asked if I want a treat?
We're getting a Christmas tree.
I'm afraid to touch it. Looks like something's been eaten. Yeah, I left this chair here 14 years ago,
Girl.
so I could dust her off real quick and enjoy the view.
Stop.
The police shot my dog. The police shot my dog. They're backpacking chairs. Everywhere I go, I got a place to sit down. Ow. I went to flick my bean and I donked my dome.
I'm full of energy.
Gonna have to burn some of that up. Ooh.
They said, why do you have saws in your ice chest? Why would I not have saws in my ice chest? That's the better question. What you get?
Nice.
Try to grab away from
A no Modelo.
You know we're going that way.
We go that way. Out that way. Or that way.
Yeah, somebody been up here with a dadgum dozer cleaning the road up.
No, dude, I hope they didn't take it out.
Oh no, they wouldn't take that tower out. They just fixing the road so they can get to it.
So we're on our way up to the Sweet Tower. Let's see if we can find the best Christmas tree picking spot. So the plan is to try to find that area from the top of the tower. As you can see, got a sweet background here. And whoop! That way we can find the perfect Christmas trees. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's gone.
Oh no, they wouldn't take that tower out.
It's gone.
Dude, what?
So we were gonna go to the tower and see the sights and look for our Christmas tree, but tower's gone. It's freaking, they took it out.
Dude, I'm so depressed right now. Like,
There
was the
used to be a
worst thing that
tower,
could've
and now there's
happened.
not a tower.
it was an old decommissioned fire watch tower, so that way they could see 360 degrees to spot any fires.
Now how are we gonna find the perfect Christmas tree?
It's tree time!
Time to get serious?
It's time to get serious. I've been ball gazing, enjoying the ride and the company, and I forgot what we were doing. Time to start thinking about it.
Time to get serious.
Holy moly, that one's got to be like 12 foot, huh? So after being pretty bummed out that our Forest Service watchtower had been taken down, I mean, I say ours, but kind of is. It's all of us off-roaders' place to go check out. So it's kind of bums me out that that was gone, but we're finally into some good Christmas tree territory. We were in the Ponderosa pines. They're kind of scraggly and really tall, but they don't even have any pine needles towards the bottom. So we finally got into stuff like this right here. These are good Christmas trees for Arizona. So we're gonna start looking and see what we find.
That one looks good. It's just half.
Dude, that's really good. Well, and dude, if you get one that's ugly on the backside, you can put it against the wall.
Right, like there's a good one. You want some popcorn or something?
Oh wow, that one is pretty.
You look at this little baby one right there. That one's super cute.
Where? Look at this mini tree. That would be perfect in my bedroom. But too wide. This mini tree. These are the trees we want. Oh! Here's a soft tree. Is it soft? It's pokey. Is it soft? Yeah, it's not soft.
I found a shed. Yes!
What's a shed?
It's an antler.
Oh, I want one.
I found a little baby one. We found our Christmas tree. That's it.
Colby, you gonna
Neat.
catch it?
This is exciting.
She's actually gonna try and catch it. Good job.
Tree level unlocked.
It was.
We got our tree!
I'm cutting down my first ever Christmas tree that I harvested from nature.
From nature.
It's all natural.
This is killing me.
Oh, Christmas tree.
How beautiful are your branches?
On a Jeep, oh, on a Jeep.
It's not just a Jeep, it's a Cherokee.
Timber!
I got a tree. Got pollen in my throat.
Oh God. Hang on there, little pine cone. I found a Gatorade, no, something lid.
Snapple Capple. Wait for me.
Couple wieners.
Are you sure it wasn't your left? Don't scratch the roof.
I know, these are pristine vehicles, don't you know?
This is so freaking fun! Ah!
You lost it there a
That's
little.
the
I like
one
it.
We got our trees. We're just a bunch of dupes with trees on our Jeeps.
You know what else we can do Christmassy while we're out here? No mistletoe. We're gonna get us some mistletoe for the ladies so they can hang up in the doorway.
I'm interested.
Tell me when you see it. It's tree cancer. That's all mistletoe is.
Really?
Yeah, that's mistletoe. That's right, everybody. The Rec Christmas tree is finally in the house, and it's looking pretty good. We have probably the most interesting skirt anyone's ever used for the bottom of their tree. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. That is a Mud Terrain BFG. It's skirting the tree. Boy, that thing's awesome. We did come across some mistletoe while we were out there, so we might as well get our mistletoe put up. Oh, you just got it done. Look at that.
Can I do one?
Wow.
Look, Colby. Mwah. So I found my first shed when we were out looking for our Christmas tree, and I was so excited. I was just telling Bronson how I really wanted to find my own, but I wanted to find it organically. Our buddy Short Bus, he drilled a sweet hole right here and made a little Christmas ornament for me. So now we have a sweet deer spike shed ornament for our tree every year.